just SEO, but you know, any other kind of, well, like I said, screen readers, that kind of stuff. Okay, selectors. So selectors, I first learned about them with CSS, and they're the way that you kind of say, this style applies to this thing, right? So you can say, I want all H1 tags to be blue. And I, like probably a lot of us, started out by just hacking things around. So I would say, man, I need this header to be red, so I'll just create a class for it. And then I would create a red header class, right? But it's a lot better if you can create actual semantic selectors. So that's how CSS worked. Then jQuery picked that same thing up, and it made it great. If you knew how to work selectors, you could get going really quickly with jQuery. And I would show my friends jQuery, and they would have a hard time getting it. And I'd say, oh, do you not really get selectors? And we kind of go back into selectors. By the way, as an aside, if you don't know selectors well, I'd recommend it's called Select Tutorial. Let's see, Select Tutorial. So this is a great kind of step-by-step thing where it'll say, now we're going to do this, now we're going to do this. And it'll teach you the basics of selectors. This is a great way to be a lot more effective with CSS and also with jQuery. Finally, you're able to use a lot of client-side testing frameworks are able to do a lot more if you have good structured content. They're able to select content and say, okay, if this changes to this, do this. So as an example here, I've got this